Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me. So, this is going to be a Jurassic collaboration organized by the lovely Lula from Nerd Gobbling Out. Excuse me. And I'm going to do this little dinosaur mold. This one is from Temu, by the way. And I'm going to use the casting powder from Harry and Wilma. And I'm sorry about the light, but it's pitch dark here already because we have very bad weather at the moment. And it's pouring out there, so it's very dark. So there's not much I can do about that. So I'm mixing, and it's very easy to mix this. And it sets very, very quickly. So if you're using it in the summertime, make it extra watery because it sets very, very quickly. It's a little bit difficult to demold the head so, because I've used it already, and I'm telling you now that it was very, very hard to demold the head on it. Just make sure that you squish it all up so that you don't miss on the little crannies on it. And make sure that you do the tail and you squish the tail first before finishing it off. And I think for whatever reason, I don't believe this, but I think I have a hair somewhere in here. Look at it. How did I manage that? All right, so that's that for that. So now we'll have to wait for that to cure. All right, bye for now. So I believe that if you try and get, if I remember correctly when I did it last time, if you get the tail off, it's easier to do the front. So we're going to go and see if I can. And I remember that I rolled it to bring it down. And then I rolled the rest. Getting out of shot, I'm sorry. The worst part about this mold is getting the head off. But once you get the head off, it's I'm sorry, my phone died on me when I was demolding the head. And this is for the anniversary of Jurassic Park. Uh, so, and I decided to do this little one here. I'm sorry about the light, but it's a horrible day here. It is so dark. I actually am in my kitchen because trying to do it in where I have my art was impossible. It was so dark, even with the light there, it looked terrible. So I decided, no, I have to do it over here. All right, and I'm using silver from Montmartre, and I'm gonna paint. And I decided to do this little one because dinosaurs can be also pretty and cute. They don't have to be horrible and nasty. I don't even think you can see me, to be honest. So I'm adjusting the focus because I was out of focus. And I will fast forward while I'm painting it as not to bore you all with a small detail. But I will explain as I go. Now I'm using grey to paint the bones. I think they're bones, I'm not sure what you would call it, and the scales in the body. And then I will paint the eyes. Because it also has like scales where the eyes are. So now I'm painting the eyes, and I'm using a lemon green for the eyes. And the heart, a pink for the heart that she's holding. Okay, so this is it, guys, for the dinosaur. I think he looks quite cute. Yep. And okay, make sure that you watch the glamour shots. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now.